Hold on to your seats, Porsche fans. The track monster that has taken the world by storm, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, is about to get a facelift. But there's more: new design tweaks, potential power boosts, and even a surprise version you might not see coming. Stick around as we dive into all the juicy details about the next generation GT3 RS and what Porsche has in store for 2026. Before we get into the adrenaline-pumping updates, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. You won't want to miss out on any of our future deep dives into the latest automotive legends. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS is a name that resonates with every car enthusiast. While Porsche unveiled the first models of the updated 992 generation 911 family earlier this year, the track-focused 911 GT3 RS wasn't among them. But don't worry, Porsche is cooking up something special, and we've got the latest spy photos to prove it. First off, let's talk about the 2025 model year. Porsche has confirmed that the current GT3 RS, along with the Turbo and Turbo S, will carry over unchanged. However, the first updated 992 911s have already arrived, including a hybrid GTS model, hinting at the future direction of Porsche's performance cars. But here's where things get interesting. Our latest spy shots show a prototype of the updated GT3 RS, set to go on sale next year, likely as a 2026 model for the US. What's new? The prototype sports revised taillights and heavy camouflage around the rear, suggesting a fresh rear fascia design with new side vents. We can also spot a new rear diffuser design that could enhance aerodynamics even further. Now, you might be wondering, what about the front? Well, it's still matching the current GT3 RS, but we expect that to change as more advanced prototypes hit the road. And as for the powertrain, while Porsche has been tight-lipped, it's safe to say we can expect a boost in performance. The current GT3 RS already delivers a whopping 518 horsepower from its 4.0-liter flat-six engine, with power sent to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Could we see even more power in the next iteration? Only time will tell. But here's the kicker. While the new hybrid GTS combines a 54-horsepower electric motor with the 911 standard 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, don't expect hybrid tech in the GT3 RS. At least, not in this generation. And just before the updated GT3 RS arrives, Porsche's motor racing partner, Manthey Racing, is set to introduce a modified version of the GT3 RS. We've seen prototypes for this version being tested, and its launch could be just around the corner. Plus, it doesn't end there. Prototypes for the updated Turbo and Turbo S are also out and about, with rumors swirling about a potential new version that might be called the Turbo S Touring. It's an exciting time for Porsche fans, and we're here for all of it. As if all that wasn't enough, Porsche's relentless pursuit of perfection continues. With Manthey Racing's involvement, the new GT3 RS is likely to set new benchmarks in track performance, possibly surpassing anything we've seen before. And with new design elements, especially at the rear, it's clear Porsche is not just updating, but redefining the GT3 RS for the modern era. That's all we have for you today on the upcoming Porsche 911 GT3 RS. If you're as excited as we are about these updates, make sure to stay tuned for more info as we get closer to its release. And remember, the road ahead is always thrilling when there's a Porsche in the picture. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.